How's it going, everybody? Mango here, and today I want to talk about the Razer Orochi V2. But before I do so, if y'all can hit the like button, the subscribe button, I want to make this my full-time gig, and I can only do this with y'all's help. Okay, so let's dive right into the specs of this mouse. It has Razer's 5G 18K optical sensor, as well as their modified KL 4.0 GM switches. This mouse weighs in at around 60 grams and is powered by either a AA battery or a AAA battery. It has both 2.4 GHz as well as Bluetooth wireless connectivity, and overall, it's a non-ambidextrous mouse shape that feels really great in the hand, has nice protruding side buttons, a scroll wheel that feels similar to that of the G Pro Superlight, and only comes in at only $70 on Amazon New, which I think is a fantastic deal. You can even get it for around 50-ish bucks on Amazon, and that's just a steal in my opinion. So this mouse makes a lot of sense to me. It is an awesome contender to the egg-shaped gaming mice genre. It definitely beats the Logitech G305 for having a fun shape for sure. But for me, at the end of the day, this mouse just doesn't work. And so let's talk about why. This mouse is really tight, and it's definitely geared towards people who have small or medium-sized hands. I, however, have large-sized hands, specifically 20 by 10 centimeters. And I love to palm grip my mice or even claw grip them. For me, this mouse is just too darn small, and it's really awkward when gaming. It was fun to use for short gaming sessions on Valorant or Apex Legends. However, when it came to longer, over an hour plus gaming sessions, I found that this mouse would fatigue my index finger. In fact, it did so much so that I felt that I almost injured it. So as someone with large hands, I just can't main this mouse, unfortunately, though I definitely do find the appeal to this mouse and I really do enjoy it. If Razer were to come out with a larger variant of this mouse, I would buy it in a heartbeat. It's definitely a very fun mouse to use. The other comment that I do want to say about this mouse is that when I bought it, I plugged it in immediately into my PC and found that it was jittering all over the place. Like the sensor was just lagging like crazy. Turns out right when you buy the mouse, you need to do a firmware update on both the mouse itself as well as the receiver in order for it to have fluid connectivity, which I found very confusing and almost gave me a heart attack because I thought my mouse came broken. At the end of the day, I definitely see the appeal for this mouse. It's a really fun shape and size, and it's just definitely something that a lot of people will enjoy. I'm just one of those outliers, unfortunately. If you enjoyed listening to my thoughts on the mouse, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.